Hello everybody, welcome back to another series of the PCWL here at Mini Wrigley Field. My name's Ben Hughes.
I'm Ethan Bailey.
And today we have the Bay Sox and Surf Monkeys coming down to the end of the season. Two teams trying to get their records ready for seeding in the playoffs. Bay Sox coming off of another series loss, 3-6 record right now. So they're trying to come off of a reigning NL champ, so it's going to be a tough series for them today, but trying to just get over the hump of winning a series today.
Yeah, and the Surf Monkeys coming in at 6-3. They're second seed right now, trying to get that one seed here in the NL. So again, they're coming off a series win against the Rockers, a big series win.
Yeah, huge win.
Yeah, a lot of home runs in that series, especially by Dylan Chile, who's going to be here today as well. So again, they just look to stay hot. Gary's been on the mound. All right, he's reinventing himself. Yeah. So they got another pitcher on the mound.
Shape-shifting on the mound.
Actually doing a decent job. Yeah, so a little bit of surprise there, but he's doing well. So again, they just look to stay hot.
Yeah, and then the Bay Sox are rocking with 3 guys today, so it's going to be a little tough for them fielding-wise, but they got some athletes out there today, so it shouldn't be too big of an issue. Let's get out of the interviews. I'm here with Bay Sox manager Coop Hinson. Coop, you guys looking for your first ever series win as a franchise, gain some ground maybe in the AL standings. How are we going to do that today?
You know, I'm not really worried. You know, this team's really good, so we're looking for at least one win today. You know, we've done that every time. We're pretty consistent. We only have 3 guys today because Devin slept in. So, no, I'm not worried, though. We got 3 guys. We'll batter around the order pretty fast.
You think you guys are going to get hot with that 3-man lineup? It's worked well in the past for some teams.
It worked well for us against the Sluggers. We did pretty good, me, Devin, and Tito. So I'm not really worried about it. Tony's new, so we'll see how he hits. But Burning has to reinvent himself at the plate.
Are we worried about depth pitching chart? Because that happens sometimes. Guys get gassed. Are we worried about that today?
Not worried about it. I'm going to have to go on the mound today. Tony's shoulder kind of hurts, so it's going to be me and Burning.
All right, good luck today. I'm here with the skipper of the Surf Monkeys, Gary. Gary, you guys are looking to climb the NL standings. You're trying to catch the Blue Wahoos at the 1 seed. How are we doing that today?
We're going to start me on the mound for game 1. I've been pretty decent. I'm coming for Ethan's crown last year of the Cy Young. We got Dylan. He hit 8 home runs last tournament, so we're going to see if he has his secret corn nuts.
He brought the corn nuts today, so it's going to be dangerous.
We got the corn nuts. Hopefully he hits another 8 home runs this series. Breaks another record.
All right, good luck today.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ripped up the middle. And he's on with a single. Oh, he's got some movement today. Ball 4, we got a run on. 1-0 ball game. Cooper Hinson. And we got a call to the bullpen. Coop's coming in to pitch. I'm gonna go look real fast. Sky to center field is drifting away. Makes a graph route number 1. Jake Foster comes in. We got a 2-0 ball game.
Swing and a miss at 41. Out number 2, strikes out the home run king. Home run derby king. Swing and a miss at 41. Out number 2. Oh, right back up to the pitcher. Oh, and he drops it. And misses Gary at second. Oh, Gary's coming around too. And they score 2 on the play. 4-0. 4-0 on what should have been out number 3. Oh, good pitch. Fends it off. And that's out number 3. I can't say that. Surf Monkeys strike for 4 here in the top of the first. Bay Sox coming up to bat in the bottom.
Ground ball at the middle. Gary makes a play for out number 1. Steps back on the mound. Rip to the right side. That's really has trouble with it. Both runners reach. We got runners on first and second now for Coop. Ground ball. Gary misses it. Flips it to second base. Out number 2. Ooh, off the end of the bat. Dylan makes a play. Out number 3. They get out of the jam. We got a 4-0 game going into the top of the 2nd inning. Have you couldn't imagine. Sky to the right side, got a little under it. They're both have trouble with it. Lose it in the sky. Aiden's on again.
You got back
Ball smoked to center field. Is back to the track, off the fence. Azarelli making his way to third base. Jake Foster in with a double. Again, off the end of the bat, Cooper going over it. He makes a grab. That one smoked to left field. It is back. Up in the air. It's out of here. 3-run jack for Gary.
Wayne almost brought that back. I know.
Wall scraper.
He pent the wall scraper. Yeah.
Hey. That one smoked to left field. It is back. Up in the air. How about Gary? It's out of here. 3-run jack for Gary. Rip to the right side.
Get there.
Safe.
Okay.
Rip again to the left side. Azarelli making his way to third. Ooh. He got him at third. Heads up play by Coop. Drag. Off the end of the bat again. Burning under it. Makes the play for out number 3. Oh, that one's ripped to right field, and it's out of here! Smoked!
Yeah, that ball with it taken. Yeah, I know. Give him that. Get to this thing again.
It's out of here! Smoked!
Run rule.
Flare to the left side. Jake makes a grab for out number 1. That ball's carrying. Aiden going after it. Makes the catch at the fence. Out number 2. Ground ball to the right side. Makes the out. They do give up a run now. It is 7-1. Surf Monkeys going into the third.
Gary hits it deep.
Gary the win.
Oh, and it's caught. Gary thought he had a homer. He got trapped in the wind up there. Welcome to Wrigley Field, folks.
Oh, heck no.
If we win the World Series, you gotta do it.
Off here to the bat, grabs it. Oh, he misses him. And he's going to second base on the error, the overthrow.
Well, we gotta get our fun.
Jam shot. That's down. Safe all the way around. Seeing eye single for Dylan Chile.
Dylan, it just.
Into the bat, fair ball. Aiden comes in to score. It is now 8-1. Someone step, I feel like, did you step on it? Chopped up the middle. Makes the grab.
I didn't want to like come up for it and miss it.
That guy did it, bro.
Yeah. Who's up?
Fly ball to the left side. It's in play, out number 1. Smoked! Makes the grab. Squared it up. Just right to Aiden. Off the end of the bat. It's down. And he's in there with a single. Going to center field. It's going away from Aiden. Cooper coming to third. And he's in there safely. First and third, 2 outs for Burning. Ground ball to the right side. And he makes the out. That's the ball game. 8-1 final score. The Surf Monkeys take game 1. That ball smoked to left field. It's back. Foster under it. Makes a catch for out number 1. Oh, fair ball. He's on the bag. He didn't have enough time to react. He's safe.
I thought he looked at his leg. That was actually so lucky.
Off to the bat. That's going. Oh, gets it caught in the wind. RBI single for Cooper Henson. It is a 1-0 ball game. Smoked! No way! He's out at third! He ran into the ball. Rip to the right side. Another run comes in. 2-0 Bay Sox.
Game at 9 at the latest.
In the bat, Aiden, he makes a grab. Out number 3.
That's a goal there.
You're gonna have to like get all in people. No, it's gonna be me and
Ground ball to the right side. Aiden's in there.
It's gonna be
Smoke to left field. Off the fence. Aiden running to third again. Tony Marrero throws a slider, riser to Cooper. That's for my guy.
I might try to go to UT.
Opposite field, backside. He's ranging in. Jake Foster scores.
Hey, Dylan, go to FAU.
We got a tie ball game. Gary.
Pop out with that.
Left side. Can't make the play. Runners on first and third now. Rip to the right side. He's out at second base.
You thought you were going to.
Get the out of second, but Dylan comes in to score now 3-2. Save you a lot of money. That ball smoked to left field and it's back. Gone! Jake Foster, 2-run jack with the bat flip. It's a 5-2 ball game.
That's my home run derby winner.
Represent Surf Monkey, let's go!
Hey,
Wow! Way out of here.
the wind caught that. That almost came back.
That was smoked.
Corn nuts.
Corn nuts have digested in it.
6-2, Dylan with a solo blast.
Here you go, baby. Hey.
Wow. Way out of here.
Oh, why didn't you?
Popped up. Coop makes a grab out number 2. Man, it is windy. That ball smoked to center field. It is back. Way out of here. That ball started at the camera.
Dylan's going bananas. Y'all see me? Y'all hear me say grow? Hey! Say grow. Hit her up through a backswing.
They're there on purpose. They're on my table. Oh, that ball's poked to left field. It is back. Way out of here. Back to back.
That was a nuke.
For Big Country. Big Country.
Let's go, baby.
Hey!
Poked to left field. It is back.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a fair ball. Safe.
The on-base machine. Why are they swinging?
Up in the air, left side. Makes a catch, round number 3. Surf Monkeys score 9. It's up 9-2 ball game now. They're 7-3. Smoke to left field, it is back. Track, wall, see ya!
I don't need a pitch today.
Hit the gritty, dude.
Pops up to left side. Aiden drops it. That's a fair ball.
I should have just dropped the other ball.
It's a fair ball when you commit to it like that. Ball had echoed. Fair ball. Gary didn't even react. Looks like he's playing in the dark. Second and third, nobody out. Sit. Oh, that's brutal. No. He got the out at first. Out number 1. That's brutal. There it goes. Mary Poppins. Out number 2. Like a puma. Like a surf monkey would. Ripped up the middle. Gets past Foster. 1 run comes in. Another comes in. Runners on second and third now.
Yeah, bird.
It's a 9-5 ball game. Smoked. It's down. Another run comes in. It's 9-6. Bases are loaded. No, first and third. Yeah, first and third. It was second and third. First and third. We're just hitting off them. I don't care. Rips left side. Gary has trouble with it. Safe.
Oh my goodness. Cut!
9-7. Go ahead, run now at the plate. That's gonna be trouble. He gets the out at third. That's gonna be out number 3. 9-7 ball game going to the bottom of the second inning. Smoked left field. That ball's down. Dylan went in with a leadoff single. Oh, true. Skied up to out number 1.
Dylan almost split.
Backwards K.
At least you're honest.
Ripped. Can't make the play. Bases are now loaded for Gary. Jam shot. Makes the play. Out number 3. Nothing done here. 9-7 going into the top of the third inning. Smoke to the right side. Can he make the play? No, he doesn't. He's safe.
Oh, no way.
Sky up to center field. Dylan can't see it. He makes the grab. Out number 1. Here goes. That ball's carrying, and it's deep off the wall. Cooper coming around. Safe. It's a 9-8 ball game. He was cooking. He's like 11. That ball's deep and it's carrying. Gone! Cooper takes the lead. Oh. Swing and a miss. Strike 3. He's at the lead. Yeah. Strike 3. They take the lead though, 10-9.
I know he was on the break.
Yeah, he was on the brace. Umbrella today, boys. That ball's jacked deep to left field and it's back. Track wall. Walk off jack for Jake Foster. It's a beanie blast.
It was like the same spot.
I got Dylan up next. I'm not gonna be too aggressive.
Present, baby.
Let's go, baby.
That is genuine.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
That ball's jacked deep to left field and it's back. Track wall. Walk off jack for Jake Foster.
Dude, he can't handle those fat leg jokes.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
In the air. Out number 1.
Those fat leg jokes.
I gotta bleep it out.
Hit a walk-off bomb.
Smoke to left field.
What?
One hopper off the wall. Aiden coming home. He scores. Dylan Falk. Sniper. The ball smokes left field against the off the wall. Going against the wind. Another run comes in.
Dude, I almost got forced that.
2-0. Right center field gap. That ball's down. One run comes in. Azzarelli coming around. Foster coming in to score. Bases clearing double. Sky to the left side. That ball's deep. It is carrying. It is back. Gone. 2-run jack for Big Country.
Dude, the wind stops as soon as it hits.
Yeah.
Gary's third in the series?
Hey!
Oh my god.
Cool spell.
Seconds. Left side. Gets past Morero. That brings in another run. Oh, bad throw. Dylan's gonna end up at third base with 2 runs in. It is 9-0. Full count. Going to center field. That one's deep. Gary in. He's going. Fakes like he's going to second base. Got an RBI single. It is 10-0. Surf Monkeys. Rip to the right center field. Gary digging into second. He's going to third. Aiden Azzarelli in with a double. Here we go. Up the middle. Can he make the play? He gets him.
Oh, no, he did not hit me.
That was 3 outs.
He goes, I heard it.
Rip to the right side. Coop in with a leadoff single. Rip to the right side. Safe. Gary drops it. Bases are loaded, no outs. Sky to right field, it is back. Carrying, track. He tags up at third. Safe.
Yeah.
Run scores, it is 10-1.
I'll talk about either a day long makeup call.
Smokes left field, and it's back. Up against the fence. Bernie coming to score. 10-2 ball game. Cooper making his way to third. First and third now, 1 out. Damn shot. Save it home, out of second.
Wait, what happened? Forced out a second.
Force out of second.
Oh, you're such an op.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I was thinking about it. I was like, ground ball. And he makes a play. Out number 3. We go into the second inning now, 10-3 ball game.
Well, I meant to go on or number 3. It's okay. I mean, versus Bay Sox, right?
Rip to the left side. Dylan's on with a single. No, Bay Sox are. You guys are 2, Marshall's 3. Ground to the left side. Yeah, we're safe around. No, Ethan's team is 5-1. Sky up to left field. And he drops it. Another run comes in.
It was a hustle.
It was for home though. It was bases loaded.
I'm gonna go get my hat.
That's why you're.
Fly ball left side. Can he catch it again? Coop calls him off. He makes the grab.
Dylan, go 3.
Swing and a miss. Out number 2.
Attaboy.
Ripped up to the fence to the right center field. That brings in 2. Popped up. He makes a grab. Out number 3.
Let's go. Hey.
Surf Monkeys add on some more. Ground ball. Safe. Good hustle by Henson. Smokes left field. If it's fair, it's gone. It's fair and gone.
Yeah.
Smoke to right field. Aiden under it. And he drops it. Loses it up in the sun. Now the clouds are over us. Ball's ripped to right field. No doubt about that one. Way gone.
Wow, that one's way out. That was a bomb.
Way out there. To right field. No doubt about that one. Way gone. Oh! Hit the zone. Wow. Wow, that's brutal. Strike 3.
I've been feeling all day.
Oh, that one's going to center field. It's back. Going through the fence. Ground rule double.
It would have been a homer, but you dented it.
Yeah, no, it would have
Dented the ball. Bailed him out. That's smoke to center field. That's down.
Aiden, just stay.
Bernie coming home.
Aiden, just stay there.
13-8.
Keep hitting it right there.
Jam shot. Ball's carrying though. Makes a grab. Wow! Way gone! I'm on the right side. Dylan makes a play. Out number 3. We're going to the 3rd. Wow, smoked up to the fence. Dylan's on with another leadoff single. Oh, and he's going to second base now on a bad throw. Out at 3rd, safe at 2nd. Off into the bat. That ball's down. Gary coming around to score. Misses Aiden. It is 14-10. Jake Foss with another RBI. No. Ball's up.
I wanted that pitch too.
And drops it. Oh my goodness. Aiden coming in to score 15-10.
Dude, I was waiting for you to drop it.
Smoked. Laser to Coop. Out number 2.
Couldn't hit that more perfect.
Yeah, it floated right now.
Yeah.
It went like over your head.
Jam shot. Oh, he can't handle it. Bases are now loaded.
I don't see us getting.
They're starting to go.
Just have to wait if we make it to the playoffs.
Ball sky to center field. Cooper calls it. He makes a grab. Out number 3. It's a 15-10 game going to the bottom of the 3rd. Off the end of the bat.
Get there.
Leadoff single. Ripped. Aiden grabs it. Nope. 1 out. All right. It's fine with me. Ground ball up the middle. Aiden makes a play. Safe at first.
We're gonna run a second side song here. Who plays that Saturday? Bay Sox.
Ripped up the middle. That'll be the ball game. Surf Monkeys sweep the Bay Sox. Final score 15-10 in the last game. I'm here with the player of the series, Gary. Gary got a win on the mound today, only surrendered up 1 run, hit 3 home runs today. Gary, you're hot again at the plate today. How are you feeling?
Feeling really good, dude. We're coming for that pennant this year again. We won it.
So yeah, you guys are 9-3 now going into the final series of the year. You think you have what it takes to get that top spot this year after being the low spot last year?
Yeah, we got plenty of potential. They haven't even played their next couple series yet, so I don't know who they're playing, but we're gonna lose a couple guys, and we're gonna pick up one to have for our playoff run.
All right, good job today, man.
Oh yeah, we're sweeping the ball busters too.
Oh yeah, you'll see that one coming up soon. That'll be a big game.